This is me. You might ask yourself how I ended up here. So, this guy, Jesse, aka the Samurai Carpenter, asked if I was willing to help him with the project. I said yes, so I went to the airport, flew to Vancouver, drove to a port, took a ferry to Vancouver Island, drove to Port Alberni, rode with him to his property, met his family and a bunch of other amazing guys, worked on this project for a couple of days, and traveled all the way back to my home. Alright, that was fast. Let's start from the beginning. Alright, I'm talking very quietly into this mic because it's 2:45 in the morning and I'm currently waiting for my Uber to go to the airport. Let's the adventure begin. Here comes my Uber. Alright, here we are at DTW. This is Detroit Metropolitan Wayne County Airport. I think I'm the first one at the gate because nobody is here. My final destination is Vancouver. I did not sleep last night, so it's good. I can sleep on the plane. So I see you guys in Vancouver. Alright, after a long flight, we got here at Vancouver Airport. The flight was good, but tiring. Let's go check the city. I have always been blessed with good friends. An old friend of mine picked me up from the airport. We had a good chat and an amazing lunch together, and he drove me around the streets of Vancouver, showing me this beautiful city. I spent the night at another good old friend's house, and he also lent me his car so I could drive to my destination. In the morning, I drove to Horseshoe Bay and took a ferry to Nanaimo on Vancouver Island, which was a new and interesting experience. The travel was smooth and the ferry offered lots of amenities. After about an hour and 45 minutes, we reached the city of Nanaimo. Alright, here we are departing the ferry and entering the city of Nanaimo on the Vancouver Island, British Columbia. From there, I drove about an hour and 10 minutes to Port Alberni along a road with the most stunning views. There I met Jesse and his family, and we rode to his property. Alright, here we are at Sprout Lake. Look at this view. Isn't it just amazing? When we got there, the project had already started. We were building a 30 feet by 30 feet barge. They had already assembled the pontoons, which came in sections. Once the pontoons were afloat, we attached them together and prepared them for the floating boards. Well, that was a very oversimplified explanation. If you want to know more about the construction details, I will leave a link to a video Jesse uploaded on his channel. So I will keep quiet now and let you watch some time lapse. One of the best takeaways of this trip was meeting a few amazing people. John from Colorado, Woody from Ontario, and Bill and Justin, who are locals of Vancouver Island. Jesse has a wonderful family. His boys were involved in the project and helped a lot. And his wife Courtney was an amazing host. She treated us with tasty and delicious meals. All in all, this was an amazing experience for me. I enjoyed the project and working as a team. I learned a lot from everyone, and most of all, I got the chance to meet new people and make new friends. And a special thanks to Jesse and his wife for planning everything and having us over. Just like any other adventure, this one too has come to an end, and now let's go home. Here I am at Vancouver International Airport. I'm heading to my gate to fly to Detroit, Michigan. See you in Detroit. All right, it's 7:25 in the morning, and I have arrived at Detroit, Michigan. And just like that, my 5-6 day trip to Vancouver Island has ended. That was a very fun and amazing experience, meeting and working with Samurai Carpenter, and also meeting some other nice people, working as a team, finishing a project. Yep, and hopefully I will have some similar experience very soon again. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.